hands were meant for different work, and his heart was known to love. He'll live his only way is known, a solitary way. Paid to me, I give time, I never can repay. A quiet man of music, denied his self-made. He tried to be a soldier once, but his music wouldn't wait. He earned his love through discipline, a thundering velvet hand. His gentleman's of sculpting souls took me years to understand. The leader of the band is tired, and his eyes are growing old. But his blood runs through my instrument, and his song is in my soul. My life has been a poor attempt to imitate the man. I'm just a living legacy to the leader of the band. Your brother's lives were